One of the number one questions parents ask in their Texas divorce or custody case has to do with child support. And the way that works is you consider the number of children that are before the court and the net resources of the parent who will be paying the child support, and you do a math problem. One of the things that I think is a little bit difficult to wrap your mind around if you're not familiar with this area is what it means to have net resources. It's not the same thing as net income. You're used to thinking probably of net income, and that's what money is left at the bottom of your paycheck every other week at work. So you take the gross amount, you remove health insurance, Aflac, 401k contributions, maybe union dues, a 401k loan, and then you have this number at the bottom. That's your net income. But that's not how a Texas court would figure out the numbers. Net resources are more so gross amount of income that you make, less some taxes stuff, figure out a little bit about the health insurance you have to provide. That's your net resources number. More than likely, it's a bit higher than your net income number. So people usually seem a bit surprised by that fact. And the other thing that you may not know is that net resources are capped for consideration of child support. The way that works is once you start to make about $130,000 to $150,000 a year, after that, your child support will not continue to step up because there's a limit. What that means is a billionaire would pay the same amount of child support as someone who makes, let's say, $150,000 a year. May not feel the most fair. That's something to take up with the Texas legislature. But what it does is give you a pretty firm rule of thumb of how child support will be calculated in your Texas divorce and custody case.